everybody. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Lola with Embodythemoda. I am a fashion designer with over 10 years in the business who has went to a prestigious fashion design school. So I definitely can teach you a few things on how to look and feel your fabrics. Today we are going to talk about more things that you are going to need in your core closet to build a fabulous and perfect wardrobe that's going to be small, yet very effective, and you are not going to feel like you have nothing to wear. You are going to open the door, whether you have a small closet or a huge closet, and know that you always have the fabulous outfit to make your life chic and luxurious and be your best self that you are. So today we're going to continue on a topic of say hello to my booba chicken, my beauty pie. Sorry, you wanted to join. Anyways, we are going to continue. Say hello to my cat, my kitty, kitty, kitty. It's here to show you how to look fabulous as well. We are going to talk. I'm sorry. We are going to talk about your top that you are going to meet besides going over the few that we have went over. You are definitely going to need a beautiful silk button down, and not only a silk button down, but I also wanted to talk about short sleeve button down. Now that goes for men and women as well. We have spoken about the perfect white button down. We have spoken about your light knits. We have spoken about your fabulous statement piece top. Now we are going to talk about a fabulous, luxurious silk button down. Why do you need a silk button down? Or perhaps if it's not a button down or just a silk top. And I also love adding a short sleeve to that as well. Not only does it feel very good against your skin, but it also extremely elevates your outfit. It is very unfortunately hard to have silk for a long time because it does get ruined very quickly. It stretches, it shrinks, it rips very quickly. So this is a piece that you want to really take care of. You want to, a lot of times it is good to hand wash your silks and then perhaps do a really good steam versus giving it away to a dry cleaners, because it actually does ruin silk a lot more. However, not many people know how to deal with that, so I would advise you to, of course, take care of it a lot, dry clean it. So it is definitely an expensive piece that you're going to have in your closet. However, it is definitely a beautiful piece that you want to have in your closet. You can have a very simple one like I'm wearing today. It is a beautiful dark wash, black, gray, dark blue, or it's just a simple white one, perhaps a beige one. You could have a fun one, a print one. However, having a beautiful, not only long sleeve but short sleeve will definitely add to your closet. Not only is it easy to always wear when the weather is warm, you can wear it anywhere. Of course, you can take it on vacation with you to relax. No matter what, of course, with a beautiful pair of trousers, just a simple skirt, it always elevates your look. You always look put together. course, a suit jacket, a regular jacket, anything on top. Always, always. Um, it's just a beautiful piece that elevates your outfit. I personally love having something a little bit more oversized than your tight one. A tight one will wear out a lot easier and it just looks a lot more expensive. So that's a tip that I would like to add. Depending on the weather, once again, of course, a beautiful short, long sleeve one. It is a simple top that I am talking about. We already had your wild pieces. I'm talking about a beautiful, luxurious silk top that you can wear with anything, that you can wear with a loud bottom. Now, even if you wore a silk slip skirt or even a full, let's say, long skirt, like to the opera, to the theater, perhaps to a wedding, it would still look very luxurious. It would look like you're put together. It will definitely look like even a gown. Right now, this looks like a really nice summery suit. And that is what you're looking for. You're looking for, throw it on, it's very easy, goes with everything. You look luxurious, you feel luxurious, you feel fabulous. So that is the lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed what we are talking about. I hope you are going through your wardrobe. You are definitely not confused on what you should be adding to your wardrobe. And that is why we're here today. You guys have a beautiful, beautiful day. Enjoy your life.